While camping during the winter months, it's a natural occurrence that your backpack is going to get heavier. It's just simply down to you're carrying a lot more stuff. Extra layering, a thicker sleep system, or a Four Seasons tent that's going to withstand the elements that you're in. And for me personally, I have a lot of camera equipment and I've upgraded my camera equipment, so my backpack is going that way when it should be going that way. So I went on a mission to create the lightest backpacking stove that I can muster together in this mad garage that I have. A 350 milliliter titanium cup. Inside here, an alcohol stove, I have a stand, I have a windshield, a flint rod for lighting the alcohol, and I have enough fuel to light this twice. And the beauty of that is this only weighs 161.4 grams. That is absolutely nuts. So let me open it up, let me show you what's inside. Taking off the lid, I decided to go with the Bailey burner, well, simply because it's the lightest one that I have. That is only 9.3 grams. It's ridiculous. Then I have 30 milliliters of fuel. I have a small little flint rod. This is my 350 milliliter cup. This is what is making it so light. It's an interwoven stainless steel stand and windshield all in one. It has 3 locations that you can actually hook this in, so you can make this unit smaller to suit the pot that you're actually working with. So I've had this out already, and it's good for light to moderate wind, but for strong wind it wouldn't be as efficient like every other stove. But in terms of the weight of any pot full of water or anything on top of it, absolutely zero issue. For the weight of it of 10.7 grams, it's absolutely nuts. Okay, so let me set it up. I'm going to put in half of this. I'm going to put in 250 milliliters of water into the 350 milliliter cup, and let's boil it, and let's see how long it takes. Happy days. So you just simply clip that in. It just holds in place. So let's fill this up. It's about half. 250 milliliters of water. Okay, so we have a rolling boil at 8 minutes and 27 seconds. I'm going to keep it going just to see how long the fuel lasts. And that's flame out at 9 minutes and 53 seconds. 1 cup of water, and I still have half a bottle of fuel left. Depending how cold it is, how windy it is, will always determine how much fuel you use. I'm in the perfect environment here because I'm indoors. I tested it with no wind. Literally. So it will change. You can always pack rocks up around it, or you can always do this inside in your vestibule where there is no wind. So I could still get another cup of water boiled. Okay, so there you have it. This is my ultralight backpacking stove. A small 350 milliliter cup with everything you need inside in it to boil 2 cups of water. For on a wild camp, that could be a cup of tea and a dehydrated meal, all for 161 grams. That is nuts. So everything here I bought myself except for the Bailey boiler, which was given to me. I'll leave all the details in the description of everything that I used here, and hopefully this might give you ideas what you could do to reduce the backpacking weight that you carry up the mountain with you, especially in the winter months. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. This is Martin here from Soul Trail. We'll talk to you there in the next one. Take care. Bye.